Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning 1 to 30 counting. This is our colors. Orange color, red color, dark green color, pink color, sky blue color. Orange color. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Red color. 7 8 9 10 11 12. Sky blue color. 13 14 15 16 17 18. Dark green color. 19 20 21 22 23 24. Pink color. 25 26 27 28 29 30